Today I'm gonna be making the most famous Mexican side dish, I guess, guacamole. It's super easy. I'm not gonna make it authentic because I don't like cilantro, and I'm gonna add some onion, and I don't like garlic in it, but I like it this way and I'm gonna show you how I make it, so let's do this. Good, so the most important part is, of course, avocados. Get a ripe one if you can. It should be pretty soft on the top. Then, the most satisfying part, let's cut it open. Yep. Oh yeah, this one's pretty good. And now the most satisfying part of all, removing the... Kaip kauliukas, angliškai, kaulas. No, Wi-Fi nejungtas. Oh, come on. Kauliukas. Stone? No. Dice? No. Whatever. Okay, let's remove the pit of the avocado. Yeah, if you don't know, you should do it like that. Just cut it and twist. Twist, 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 twist. Until it breaks. Oh shit. I hate it when this happens. Try again. Nope. Well, and it's time for thumb action. Guess this one is not that right. Cut it off. We can still salvage this shit. And let's throw this out. Great. Now, since we're making guac, I'm gonna score the avocado like so into cubes inside, so it's gonna be easier to remove with a spoon. Be careful to not cut yourself. So yeah, there we go. Now I also have some leftover avocado from breakfast, so I'm gonna use that also. Yay! Let me cut it into chunks. There we go. Great, so avocado is done. Now let's get some red onion, just a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna use like half of it. Dice it really, really thin. I'm not gonna use all of it. There we go. I think that's enough. And with guac, everything is up to your own taste. Like, if you don't like a lot of onion, just don't use a lot. You can put it under a running water source to make it not as tangy, not as bitey. Then, for some color, I like some tomatoes. If you use big tomatoes, you can de-seed them because they become very watery. Just make them smaller. Yeah, since I'm using plum tomatoes, I don't have a lot of seeds in them. Good. And the final ingredient is, of course, a lime. Oh, shit. Oh, damn it. Yeah, fresh lime. Look at this beauty. Now, what you should do to squeeze out more juices is press it hard and roll it before squeezing the juices. Just a quick tip. What's up, everybody? Also, never use a lemon. It's not the same. Yeah, and basically that's it. Now all we need is salt and cilantro, but if you hate cilantro or just don't have it on you right now like I do, don't use it. It's perfectly fine. That's what cooking is about, dude. Eating what you like. And of course, it being good food. So yeah, get a bowl. Like so. And let's get a spoon and scrape all of that beautiful avocado fat from its shell. Also, don't forget to like really scrape it out, because I've heard the best part of avocado is like this green stuff on the skin. Maybe it's not, I don't know. You just get more avocado. That's one half done, and let's do another one. Here we go. Look how easy it was. That was easy. And then use the leftovers if you have, because I do. That wasn't good. No. Oh, that's bad. Now what I like to do is like mash them like they are. Damn it. They're pretty, damn it. Not ripe enough, I guess. But we saw that coming. Get ripe avocados if you can. Or if they're not ripe, just put them somewhere where it's close so that they're not juices. If they're not ripe, just put them next to other avocados, or they say on apples. They emit gases.
Oh boy, iPhone smoke. Don't breathe this.
I don't know how they're called. Methane? No, that's cow's farts. Basically, yeah, they ripen in like plastic bag or next to apples or other avocados faster. So yeah, you can do that. Anyway, mashy, mash, mash. You could use not a fork, but a crusher or whatever it's called. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, it's pretty like well mashed. Now it's time to add some salt.
Later, bitch.
And this is the crucial part. Adjusting the salt and lime levels. Actually, all the levels. Because, I mean, some people like it salty, some people like it sour. I like it, I don't know how I like it. First, yeah, get a lime. This one. Right. Squeeze in the juices. I'll add in more avocado. Actually, even more. Yeah. Also, if you like it chunky, that would probably be it. Like, you should finish mashing it by now. If you like it more smooth, well, mash it even more. God, what? This one is pretty tasty. Also, when you add lime, it's easier to mash. Actually, don't know what I'm doing, dude. Okay. Now, put the finger in and taste. It needs a little bit more salt, and I think it'll be okay. So let's get more salt. Oh, shit. Now this would be the part where you add in chopped cilantro. So if you want, you can do that. I'm not gonna do it. And some people like garlic. I fucking hate garlic in guacamole. I'm sorry, all the Mexican people or all the people that like garlic in guacamole, it is not it. Maybe last time I made it, I put in too much garlic. I mean, the only time I made it with garlic, but I just hated it. Also, your breath stinks. Well, onion does the same thing. Whatever. Anyway, now I'll add, wait, let me taste it again. Yeah, now it's good. Now I'll add the onions to give it more tang. Again, I'm using the same word. That's the only word I know, I think. I'm not gonna use it all because, I don't know, red onion seems pretty strong. You can use white onion, but don't. Use red one because you can see it gives a bit more color. That's why I add the tomatoes. I love the red and green, you know? Gives it more color. It looks more beautiful. So, actually, yeah, let's add all the tomatoes. You can add a lot of tomatoes. Just don't make it a soup if you have a lot of seeds. Let me taste this one. Let's mix it, mix. Look at that. It's way nicer than just it was before, like green. Let's give it a taste with your fingers, of course. It's pretty chunky. I think it's great. Yeah, maybe just a little bit more onion. There we go. That's gonna be perfect. Probably for me, not for you. So whoop.
Nice.
Tastes awesome. Now for serving, make it more beautiful with your finger, of course. No, don't do it. I'm joking. Like, use a towel, paper towel or something. Since I'm eating this whole batch alone in my room, I can do this. Yeah. Okay, maybe make it more beautiful. Like so. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm bad at this. Good. Now for serving, get some tortilla chips. I like them with nacho cheese dressing. Not dressing, spice, whatever. Flavor, yeah? That's how you say it. So I like it with nacho cheese flavor. So you can add Doritos or whatever. Just on the side, like so. You know? Around the whole thing. To hide all the imperfections. And to make it more appealing, I guess? I don't know. You can serve it however you want. Again, since I'm eating this alone, I'm gonna put it in the same bowl. Great. Now we have ourselves some nacho chips with guacamole inside. Look at that. It's beautiful. Also, you can use whatever chips you like. Like, plain ones with salt were great, but I don't know, for some odd reason I like it with nacho cheese. And you know what? It tastes great. Now, if you would like to preserve your guacamole, remove all the chips, of course. Ah, shit. Get back in here. You shouldn't do that, okay? This is just for educational purposes. I mean, putting back the chips, not the guacamole. Oh, this one is damaged. This one too. These ones, yeah, not good. Right, so let's say you ate all the chips and you want to preserve the leftover guac, right? It's a lot of it left. And you don't want to get it brown. Well, plastic wraps come into play. Of course you knew it, but just cover it with plastic wrap. Yeah. Like so, and squeeze it in on the surface. Like, make the plastic wrap touch every corner of the guac so it doesn't get brown. Let all the air out because it oxidizes, I guess, or whatever the hell happens. It's chemistry. I didn't have chemistry in school. I was bad at it. Whatever. Who cares? Now, once it's pressed like so, you see? Beautiful. You can store it in the fridge for, it's gonna show up here how long, probably like a few days. And that's it, you can enjoy it the next day, like I will, alone in my room, watching a TV series or something. Or a YouTube video probably. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what I do, leave a like down below, and see you on the next one. Peace!